Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
Are you ready to risk it all and cut off all your locks because you don't know how to manage them and they don't look like how you imagine? Well, I was in that same boat. My hair looked like a stringy hot mess. It looked like this and it shrank up to nothingness. I completely wanted to give up, truly give up and just cut it all off, go bald. But I had a vision and I decided to trust the process. And now I love my locks so much and they are super full, thick, and healthy. And so I'm gonna take you along my journey, my process of how I wash, retwist, style my hair. And if I could do it, anybody could do it. It's simple, easy, no-brainer at all. And so first, let's take down this protective lock style and let's get straight into it. Hello beautiful souls, my name is Candace and welcome to my channel where everything's perfect. Throw up them hearts, including you. So hello soul family, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. And so yes, let's get straight to it. This is my lock protective style right here that I have on this channel. And y'all, don't judge me. I had this style in for like a month and a week, like 5 weeks now. And so it's super old. And so let me show you like all my new growth that I have going on. So while I take it down, I just wanted to tell you guys a little something. That through like my ugly stage of when I was not liking my hair, when it shriveled up to nothingness and it was just a stringy hot mess, that I wore lots of wigs and learned protective styles like this. And a lot of people judged me and was like, why would you lock your hair up just to put things on top of it? Because I truly wanted the lock journey, like I wanted to do this, but I wasn't feeling good about myself. I didn't like my hair in that moment, but I knew that it was going to be a process. So I'm just here to say, don't let nobody make you feel bad for wearing wigs or styles when you have locks. And do what makes you feel good until you feel comfortable enough wearing them. Like, I'm at the point now where I love my hair and that nothing nobody could say to me is gonna make me not wear makeup or the clothes I like or the hair that I like. I just did what I needed to do for myself to get me through that rut. So y'all, my hair is all taken out and you guys, it is filthy dirty and I'm about to show you. Do not judge me, okay? And I've been wanting to take these out for a while now, but you guys, the girls that get it. You guys, it has been a little bit rough. And so the last thing on my mind was doing my hair. So, you guys know when you like have rubber bands or a ponytail in your hair, it gets that around it? That's on all of my locks. All of them. That's all the new growth. Like I said, I had this in my hair for a month and probably a half or a month and a week. But that's my hair. And so let's go in that bathroom and wash. I'm about to show you all the materials. Let's get it. Oh, hi. So let's get this hair washed. And you guys, let's keep this simple and easy. Everybody wants to make this process of washing your hair complicated. So throw out all them rules of like, this is how you wash it, because that drove me crazy. So grab your shampoo and conditioner, whatever shampoo you like to use. Me, I like to use Shea Moisture because that's the one that I find that makes my hair the softest. So I have the Shea Moisture conditioner and I'm using the Carol's Daughter shampoo. Only because I'm out of the Shea Moisture conditioner and I try everything. Like, I have so many shampoo and conditioner products. And so let's get into it. So you see this shampoo bottle? You just throw that shampoo, slap it in your hand, and slap it on your head. And if your shampoo bottle has a knob, it just makes it easier just to put it down up in there. But however you do it, slap that shampoo on your head and get to going. And I like to scrub because I have flakes and my hair has just been dry. Like I keep saying, like my skin, everything has been so dry. So it's no specific amount of shampoo, no special way to do it. Slap that shampoo on your hair, and I wash my hair 3 times, the magic number 3, just to get everything out. So let's wash this hair. So here it is. This is my 3rd time washing it. So let's put this conditioner in our hair. Let's rinse this out first. So now it's time to slap that conditioner in your head. So you take your whatever choice of conditioner and you squeeze that mug so as much as you want in your hand. And I like to wash my hair first. Here it is right here. And then leave the conditioner in there for like 20 minutes. So like while I'm like washing up, my hair is just conditioning. So I just wash my hair first when I get in the shower. And yeah, so I'm gonna let this sit. I'm about to wash my body. We're gonna rinse it out and I'm about to see you guys at the retwist. I wanted to say that I put this all throughout my scalp. And yes, this is a new thing that I'm doing with the Jamaican black castor oil. Princess Love, she's just my little helper right here. And so this is how I retwist my hair. I do not part it at all. I just separate it, very easy and simple, and I only part the front because I could see and I could touch the front. So I did the back already, the first row. Let me show you. And you see, this is all without any parting. So let me take down the second row. And so I just push it apart and then I take, can you guys see? And so I just take the comb and I comb it down and up, down and up. And I feel, one second, sweetheart. And I feel if there's any pieces that is like a single piece of hair that is not separated. And so that's how I separate that. And then I take it and I pull it apart. And you feel like, you see some might be connected. And so I just feel which side it goes to. So I just do it lightly and gently. And then one thing to remember is that I turn all of my locks the same way. I counterclockwise am going to the right. So right here, I'm just separating it with my fingers, making sure all the little strands are in there. Just checking with you guys to make sure you can see it. And now I am adding the gel to my roots and just trying to lock it up in there. So I'm putting it all around my hair. And now I am about to take the comb and comb it through. And now I am twisting it counterclockwise to the right. And I'm just gonna twist. I am not going to palm roll because I don't like my hair super tight, but just enough to lock it up in there. And now I'm going to clip it to the top. And then I always connect one to the other, just like how I did right here. So I put 2 on each clip. And so one thing that I wanted to say is that I personally do not like the really neat, crazy neat look, because one, the reason why I have thick locks is because I wanted a little bitty lock count, because I did not want to spend hours doing my hair, as well as like I like the messy wild look. So the parting isn't all that important to me, and if I do want my hair to be parted super straight and clean, I could just go to the shop and they could make it look really neat for me if I wanted it to. But I do make sure that the front of my hair is neat. So let me finish. So now we're at the front, one of the hardest parts, because your hair is getting dry at this point. So I said I was gonna show you the front. So I'm gonna spray it with some water. And then, one second, sweetheart. I'm gonna take it, my mirror's right here, and I'm just gonna comb it down and up and down and up. So what can be frustrating is your hair being really tangled. So just comb, be very patient. And I am parting the front of my hair so it could be neat. So this is the part that I, part the front, just to make sure everything's neat in the front. And really, I think my whole head looks neat. But just to make sure, yeah. So I just lay it down. So y'all know the drill. I'm just adding the gel, making sure that it's neat. Now I'm taking the comb and combing it through. Comb it out. And separating any little strands that might be pulling. And now I'm just twisting it up. Okay. There we go.
Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you mean it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
Y'all, this is the best dryer I ever purchased. It dries your hair in like 45 minutes, super fast. You know them dryers you sit under at the shop? Those are garbage. I wish I had this dryer a long time ago. I highly recommend. A little reminder of how my hair looked before. The next day and my hair is done, and so I just wanted to say that I am 2 years locked, and so let me show you the results. And so this is the front, and you guys, my hair just sticks up like it has a mind of its own. It just sticks up straight. This is the back. And I love it. And so let me tell you the process of like what I use now that, my hair is done. I just spray my hair every morning and night with water to get moisture to my hair. That's the key. I feel like it's not a lot of products that you need on this journey. So do not let this stress you out, because that's for me. I was just like, it's never going to get to the point of where I love it. And look at me, 2 years in, and absolutely gorgeous. And so I do use leave-in conditioner, like sometimes spray my hair when I'm in the shower just to give it moisture. So I use this Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner right here, and I love it. And so I just wanted to say that on this Loc'd journey, that a lot of things are gonna come your way, and sometimes you're gonna be like, I can't do this. But if you give up at the beginning, you never know where your hair could lead to, what it could look like. And if I just gave up like how I wanted to and just chop it off and just do it all because it was frustrating, then I wouldn't be able to see the results. And so that's just in life in general. Like in the beginning stages of anything, like my YouTube and everything, it's just like, it's frustrating. Like you legit be like, I'm gonna yank this hair out. But why would I yank it out? Because it's like, yeah, I love it. So yes, so that's it, that's all. So if you like this video all about my wash day routine, all the tips, tricks, you guys do not stress it, live in the moment, live in and out, embrace the moment, and learn protective styles, put a wig on. Who cares what anybody says? Do you until you feel comfortable with wearing it. Just do what makes you feel good. Throw that wig, throw that protective style on, you know? So if this video was helpful to you in any way, then hit that thumbs up button right now. Right now. Because I'm going to be coming through with all the good health and fitness. Talking about that internal beauty exuding outwardly, because there's nothing about that internal beauty shining through for me. So subscribe, because guess what? I'm gonna keep them videos coming, because I'm locked. I'm gonna keep them videos coming. Yes. And always remember that you are perfect. Yes, you're perfect. You're perfect. You're absolutely perfect. You are perfectly human. Yes. Shout out to all my perfect gang. Throw up some hearts. Gang, 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 gang. Perfect gang and no gang. Let's connect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you so much. I answer all of my questions down below. All of them. So if you have any questions, just ask me. I'll answer it for you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. And one more thing. I just wanted to say to be very patient and kind to yourself when on this Loc'd journey. When I say patient, when you think you have enough patience, go back and get some more. You know, run back and get some more, because that still ain't even enough. Be very patient, and it's gonna take time. You know, especially when you're like me. I have really thick hair, and when my hair was like stringy hot mess, I was like, this is like flat. Where's my volume at? But that's how they look in the beginning. And so be very patient and kind and do whatever it takes for your happiness. And if that's putting on a wig or a protective style or anything in your hair, do that. You know what I'm saying? And if you have people in your ear like me that say, why would you lock up your hair when you blah, blah, blah? I was ready to cut them all out of my life. You know what I'm saying? But I think the person now sees the truth. You know what I'm saying? And what my goal was for my hair, because I'm living proof. So just be that light in your life. So yeah, that's what I want to say.
Give it all. Anyway you said,